Good morning. I am Ajit Kumar Dubey, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Education, Jamshedpur Cooperative College. Today, we will discuss another topic of course 6, unit first, that is gender identity construction and influence of home, society, and culture in gender identity construction. Gender identity construction means development. Gender identity is we can say gender identity is a personal sense of one's own gender. Gender identity can gender identity can correlate with persons assigned sex at birth or can differ from it. Gender identity development or construction. Gender identity development construction describe how young children learn to understood their gender and what being that gender means in their everyday life. In our everyday life, we always consider his boy, he's a girl, and assign him work according to their gender. In our daily life, we always say, boy, he is very good player in cricket. We always consider a girl, he is a very good badminton player. So these are our social mind, social structure, our made that the boy is always good in cricket. The girls is always good in tennis or badminton. We can also say is gender construction. It is a personal conception of oneself as male or female. Gender identity typically develop in stages. Gender identity typically develop in stages. Around age 2, children became conscious too of the physical differences between boys and girls before their third birthday. Most children before their third birthday, most children have a stable sense of their gender identity. What is the role of society in gender identity construction? Society play a very important role. First of all, we did discuss the role of family. In our family, we always consider uh, that work which is very good for boys and for many works are there which is considered for girls. Boys is supposed to play cricket, uh, volleyball, etc. Girls are supposed to do homemade sports such as ludo, badminton, or table tennis. We always consider that type of situation in our family. We always in our home we always bring clothes for boys clothes and girls for girls clothes. Our purpose is to distinguish boy from girl. Is our basic mind structure. How we are expected to act in a society, how we are expected to act, speak, dress, groom, and conduct ourselves in a society. For in society, we see when we go to any marriage ceremony, we see many male members wear coat pant and many female member wear saris and other suits, so it distinguishes between men and women. In the same way, in culture all across the world, culture across the world establish standard. culture across the world establish standards for individual to match their sex role, prescription, and feel psychological well adjusted behavior. So, the home, the society, the culture all affect the any person's gender identity construction, whether it is a, belongs to boy or girl or gents or ladies. The three are basic